Uh, my name is Maria and I'm a 9th grade student at ETHB Valentina School. I will be presenting my first project by designing a solar panel that can turn polluted water into clean drinking water. As climate change continues to threaten global water security, developing sustainable water purification symbol has become more important than ever. My system uses the natural process purification methods has become more important than ever. It's driven by solar thermal energy to distill containment water. The design contains a black painted container to absorb the heat, which is covered by transparent glass or plastic sheet angled to collect vapor. A mirror behind the container maximizes sunlight exposure to enhance efficiency. Solar powered fans are included to lower the pressure over the water, which boosts evaporation. When the polluted water is warm, it releases vapor that condenses on the cooled glass surface, turning into purified water without any contaminations. I also incorporated glass ridges to help droplets flow directly into a storage tank. This type of solar still provide safe drinking water for communities that lack proper water in factories, areas affected by natural disasters, or even factories needing to recycle wastewater. In fact, since it runs entirely on free, renewable solar power, it is both practical and sustainable. In conclusion, by applying physics principles like heat transfer and vapor pressure, I have developed a cost-effective zero-energy tool. Purify water using just the power of the sun. It is simple to build, affordable, and could help address water scarcity around the world. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I would love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments.
Some